So I'm going to give you a short lecture. I'll speak for about 30 seconds or a minute, and then I'll stop and I'll do this. When I do this, in your group, remember what I said. That's all. So this is first stage. The first stage, I'll lecture, stop, you remember. Lecture, stop, you remember, etc. Then I'll give you some words from the lecture. Some vocabulary, some stuff from the lecture.
On the paper there?
They're on the paper here. And then you can have a look at them, and I'd like you to make some sentences then with it. So you can work on the language in the lecture. First stage is working on the meaning, understanding what I said. Second stage, looking at the words in there. Okay? And then third stage, we'll carry on the discussion. We'll talk about it. You ready? Okay, here's the lecture. The topic of this lecture is decision making. How do people make decisions? And the best way, I think, to make decisions. That's what the lecture is about.
Yes.
Maybe.
Now, I think that it's not possible, it's just impossible to get all the information you need to make a decision. But I think it's only possible to get about 20%, 30% of the information. The second thing is, as we grow up, as we go from child to adult, we get conditioned from our parents, from our schools, from the government. We get to think in a certain way, and we get to like some things and not like some things. You're different from me because of where you came from. And because of this, it's very difficult to make decisions in a different way. You'll tend to make the decisions in the same way.
Yes, I agree. Human, as he grows, he get more and more information, conditioned from his parents, from government, and he decided in his life what he will like, what he will don't like. I mean, he will like summer or winter.
So, I don't know if you agree with me or not, but I think that making decisions rationally or intuitively is a waste of time. First of all,
just do it.
Kind of just do it.
Right.
The problem is that you're in a rut, you're kind of conditioned. So how can you get out of the rut and make different decisions? That's one problem. How? It's very easy.
Yes.
Instead of making rational decisions, you make decisions by chance. You let chance make decisions for you. And there's a very easy way of doing this, and that's to use this. Okay? Here are my reasons for doing this. First of all, it's quick. It's quick. It's easy. Second, it's not stressful. Ordinary decision making is very stressful. It takes a long time. Oh, shall I go? Shall I not go? What shall I do? It's very stressful. Bad for your heart, isn't it? So it's quick, it's not stressful, and it's possible that you can do something that you would never have done before.